Hallelujah. Please, can we all be standing? Can we all be on our feet? If you are sleeping, please wake up. Please wake up. I think last time I came here, there's something I told us. You know, when you're in the presence of the Lord, you forget about your problem. When I was praying, before Daddy sent me the invite, I've gotten an invite who I declined. And I start praying. And I see the sound. It's a sound of victory. Sound of victory that is going to come into your heart. It will carry you to 2024. And when I was praying,